When we think of fish, we typically imagine delicious flaky fillets that are easy to chew and swallow. But not all fish are made that way. Some have small bones that can be more difficult for older adults to break down in their mouths. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure the sardines are cooked and not raw. Sardines are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Sardines are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help improve heart health by reducing inflammation and helping to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. As mentioned earlier, sardines are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain health and cognitive function. One study published in the journal Neurology found that higher omega-3 fatty acid intake was associated with a lower risk of dementia. Sardines are a good source of protein, which can help you feel full and satisfied. You can eat them straight from the can with the oil they're packed in. A serving of sardines typically consists of about 3 ounces or 85 grams of cooked sardines. Therefore, seniors can eat 2 to 3 servings of sardines per week, which works out to be around 2 to 3 cans of sardines per week. However, it is important to note that the recommended intake of sardines may vary based on individual health status and dietary needs. Check out this video next and discover the fascinating insights it has in store for you. As always, it is best to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to determine the appropriate intake of sardines for a senior. This is a quick and easy option that allows you to enjoy the full flavor of the While more research is always needed, adding these small but mighty fish to your meals may be a simple and effective way to improve your overall health and well-being. Just be sure to prepare them properly. Watch your serving sizes and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Alternatively, you can drain the oil and eat the sardines dry. Do you regularly enjoy them as part of your healthy diet? Have you noticed any positive effects on your health since incorporating sardines into your routine? Feel free to share your experiences and feedback in the comments below. We value your input and appreciate you taking the time to engage with us. Thank you for watching and subscribing. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified when we release new videos packed with valuable health insights. Stay healthy and take care. This option is best for those watching their fat intake. You can also grill or bake the sardines. This option provides a slightly different flavor profile and texture. If you're looking for a more flavorful option, you can stuff the sardines with herbs, spices, or even a small amount of cheese before grilling or baking them. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming protein-rich foods like sardines can lead to significant weight loss. Additionally, sardines are low in calories, making them a good option for those trying to lose weight. Additionally, sardines are a good source of vitamin D, which has been shown to improve mood and cognitive function in some studies. Additionally, sardines are a good source of protein and B vitamins, both of which are important for overall cardiovascular health. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming sardines was associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. One study published in Clinical Rheumatology found that consuming 1.6 grams of omega-3 fatty acids per day for 6 months led to significant improvements in pain and stiffness in people with rheumatoid arthritis. This helps to kill any bacteria and make them easier to chew and digest. Additionally, some people may be allergic to fish, so it is important to test a small amount of sardines on your skin before applying it topically or ingesting them. Finally, if you're concerned about the mercury levels in sardines, opt for brands that specifically state that they are low in mercury. Sardines are low in sodium and high in potassium, both of which are important for maintaining healthy kidney function. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming sardines was associated with a lower risk of chronic kidney disease. However, It's important to note that sardines are also high in protein. So if your loved one has kidney problems, it's important to talk to their doctor about how much protein they should be consuming. And then there are these little guys are packed with tiny bones that seem impossible to break through, right? Sardines are a good source of calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which are essential for maintaining strong bones. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that consuming 42 grams of sardines per day for 3 months led to significant improvements in bone mineral density and other bone health markers in postmenopausal women. Another study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that consuming sardines was associated with a lower risk of hip fractures in older adults. Well, what if I told you that these canned fish might actually be an excellent source of nutrition for our senior loved ones? In fact, a growing body of evidence suggests that incorporating sardines into your diet may be associated with various health benefits, such as improved heart health, stronger bones, better cognitive function, and a lower risk of certain chronic conditions. Now you're probably thinking this can't possibly be true. It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let us dive into the science behind it and explore whether or not canned sardines really are a nutritional powerhouse for our elderly loved ones. Can seniors eat sardines? Yes, they can. Sardines are safe for seniors to eat, and they offer several potential health benefits. Are sardines good for your bones? Yes, they can be. Do sardines help with joint pain? There is some evidence to suggest that sardines may help relieve joint pain. Are sardines good for heart health? Yes, they can be. Are sardines good for brain health? There is some evidence to suggest that sardines may help improve brain health. Are sardines safe for kidney health? Yes, they can be. Are sardines good for weight loss? There is some evidence to suggest that sardines may help with weight loss. How should seniors eat sardines? When it comes to preparing sardines, there are several options available. How many sardines can seniors eat per day? Most health organizations recommend consuming 2 to 3 servings of fish per week. In conclusion, the evidence seems to suggest that incorporating sardines into your diet may be associated with several health benefits, including improved heart health, stronger bones, better brain function, and a lower risk of certain chronic conditions. We would love to hear your thoughts on sardines. Now let's move on to an even more intriguing topic that's sure to spark your curiosity.